Hi, I am Ivan and this is RUBICA, Digital con Corazón. We promote brands that add value to the world. How we do it? We use business intelligence to discover opportunities and insights to adjust their products and services, and then co-create with them digital strategies and go and experiment in an agile way using all the diversity of digital media. And at the end, they end up increasing their sales and positioning in Latin America. A client will come to us either in the design phase, so you are an entrepreneur or an intrapreneur with a project or a business idea to develop, or you have already developed that idea, but you need to validate if there is a level of acceptance, or you have validated that and then you need to scale that. It has proven traction, but you need to get recurring customers and then you need to increase your positioning and better your sales. Or you have already done that and what you need is sustained growth. So it's already consolidated, but you need to be more recognized and you need to be the leader in a market. In any of those phases, clients will come to us and we will use this model to work with them. We will use business intelligence to go for product and service design, digital strategy, and growth marketing. And at the end, we leave the capacity installed for our clients. Let's see how we do this in detail. So for business intelligence, we make decisions and use our creativity only based in data. So you might need to do an ad hoc research to find some specific answers that are hidden in the data. Or you need specifically to know some consumer behaviors. So we will use our natural language processing algorithms to try to find what are those intentions, feelings, and desires of your clients. Or perhaps you need to use one of our digital observatories. Using those big data techniques, we customize those observatories to different business environments and check also the competitors, possible emerging products, and give you some hints about what's going on in the competitive landscape that you need to be working on. Or perhaps you need to use one of our dashboards where we apply data mining and data analysis techniques so you can consolidate all the data that you have and make sure that you can make the right decisions because you have the information with you. Then we go for our product and service design services, where we can design or redesign products and services focused on the users. So we can start from the service design itself, where we use design thinking and rapid prototyping and lean startup techniques, so you can create these new products or services. So we can help you build your business model and first projections and understand those market assumptions with some financial projections to be a bit more certain about where it's going to happen. And also, if you are an organization that is already established, perhaps you need to reorganize your portfolio, focus very much on the demand and the needs of the user. So we will help you restructuring and redesigning those portfolios. The digital strategy will help you find the ways to make you different and to make you grow. The digital strategy is a digital roadmap in the long term. Here we observe the competition, we review our current state, we analyze very much in depth the behavior of our audiences, we create buyer personas, customer journeys, strengthen the concept, the tone and voice that you're going to be using, and the tactics that are going to back up that concept, tone, and voice. And we end up defining also the KPIs and the possible investments that you need to be making to achieve those goals. This is the cornerstone before starting experimenting. When we have that, we will do editorial committees. Following the tone, the brand, and the personalities that we defined in the digital strategies, we will create these editorial calendars with all the themes that are going to be used, and you will have the certainty that they're following both the strategy and the trends. If your team is overwhelmed and doesn't have the time to execute all of that, we offer those execution bags. So we can come and back you up and create those contents to be applied and to be used in all the digital channels that we have defined in the strategy. And also, we will back this up with paid media, all the kinds of paid media. It can be using the digital platforms, but we can also use here influencer campaigns, or referral campaigns, whatever we decided to do in the digital strategy. And we will, of course, do our performance committee. So we will check all the time, constantly, what it's working, what it's not. We will validate or reject the hypothesis, and we will make sure that all the knowledge stays there so we know what really works. All of this needs to be landing in your own web page, and call it a landing page or a campaign site or whatever we decide to have for these results to be measured. So we will make sure that you have these also with the best technology and design possible. So this is what we do. My name is Ivan Lopez. This is our contact information. What's your challenge?